Welcome everyone once again to the channel. Today we are back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you a new VPN app that can help you get a stable and secure internet connection while browsing online. This app is available on the Google Play Store. Before we begin, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if there is anything you don't understand. This helps you stay updated with all future videos. Now let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store, where you can easily search and download Android apps. In the search bar, type the name of the VPN, which is Zam VIP Net VPN. This app can help you maintain a secure connection. From the list of results, look for the correct app and take note of its name and icon. Once you identify it, tap on the app. After that, install the VPN on your device. When the installation completes, tap the Open button to launch the app. Before moving on, remember that on this channel, we always share apps and tools that can help you improve your browsing experience. Now let's continue. When you reach the home screen of the VPN, you need to make a few simple settings so the app can give you a better connection. The first step is to tap the three lines at the top. From the options that appear, select Update. This refreshes the app resources to make sure you get the best performance. Next, you need to choose a server that works well in your location. Tap the server box and select a server of your choice. For this tutorial, I recommend keeping it on auto-select so the app can automatically choose the best server for you. Then tap the next box to select your country network name. In the search bar, type UDP, because in today's video we are using a UDP option. From the list, choose All Country UDP. This option supports multiple regions and can work in many locations. If UDP doesn't work in your country, simply choose your country's network name from the list. After selecting All Country UDP, the final step is to start the connection. Tap the Start button. As you can see, it has connected successfully. That's how you can get a secure and stable connection using Zam VIP Net VPN. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. See you in the next video.